1. Realizing the foundation of intermittent fasting. Imagine those nights when you have dinner at 8 p.m. and eat breakfast at 7 a.m. the next day. Congratulations, you've already fasted for 11 hours. This realization removes the initial intimidation, making transitioning into a more structured fasting routine easier. Intermittent fasting isn't about forcing yourself into an unfamiliar territory. It's about extending the periods you're already not eating. Our bodies are designed to handle these fasting gaps. When you understand this basic principle, you'll be more motivated to take the following steps toward a healthier lifestyle. 2. Eliminating snacking for enhanced benefits. Snacking often disrupts the body's fasting period by triggering insulin responses. This consistent influx of insulin hinders your body's ability to tap into stored fat for energy. By cutting out unnecessary snacks, you allow insulin levels to decrease, promoting fat utilization and metabolic flexibility. Snack elimination aligns with the natural fasting rhythms that our ancestors followed. This change creates more extended periods of lower insulin, which paves the way for reduced insulin resistance and weight management. Embrace the power of longer fasting windows and bid farewell to those mindless snacks that interfere with your health goals. 3. Gradually reducing carbohydrate intake. Carbohydrates, particularly refined ones, produce rapid blood sugar and insulin spikes. By consciously decreasing carb consumption, you help your body transition from being carb-dependent to becoming fat-adapted. This transition is not about deprivation, it's about training your body to rely on its fat stores for fuel. As you progressively reduce carbs, you'll notice reduced hunger, more stable energy levels, and improved insulin sensitivity. This step aligns with the core principle of intermittent fasting, allowing you to maintain a calorie deficit without feeling constantly hungry. 4. Adding healthy fats for sustained energy. When you reduce carbohydrates, you need an alternative energy source. This is where fats step in as a reliable and sustained fuel source. Healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, olive oil, and coconut oil support your body's transition to using fat for energy, helping you stay full and energized during fasting periods. These fats also have a minimal impact on insulin levels, ensuring that you can extend your fasting window without triggering significant metabolic responses. By embracing fats, you pave the way for efficient fat utilization, improved brain function, and enhanced overall well-being. 5. Embracing a narrower feeding window. Extending the time between meals encourages your body to tap into stored energy reserves. You're promoting longer fasting periods by shifting from the typical 3 meals a day mindset to a more compact eating window. An 18-6 approach, where you fast for 18 hours and eat during a 6-hour window, reaps substantial benefits. During these extended fasting periods, insulin sensitivity improves, inflammation decreases, and the body delves into autophagy, a cellular recycling process that supports overall health. By adapting your eating patterns, you're letting your body optimize its internal processes for greater well-being. 6. Leveraging bulletproof coffee as a fasting aid. Bulletproof coffee, a blend of black coffee, butter, coconut oil, and sometimes MCT oil, provides a source of healthy fats without spiking insulin. This can be particularly helpful during fasting, providing a sense of satiety and focus without interrupting the fasting process. Bulletproof coffee serves as a bridge between meals, making it easier for beginners to extend their fasting window gradually. It's a tool that can help combat initial hunger pangs and provide comfort during adjustment. However, remember that it's not a mandatory step. It's a tool to use if it aligns with your preferences and goals. 7. Prioritizing hydration and essential minerals. As your eating patterns change, maintaining electrolyte balance becomes crucial. Reduced carb intake can lead to fluid and mineral loss, causing dizziness and fatigue. Adequate hydration and minerals ensure a smoother fasting experience. Electrolyte-rich foods like leafy greens, avocados, and nuts play a role, but supplementation can also be beneficial. Potassium, sodium, magnesium, and calcium are vital players. Keeping these levels in check supports overall well-being, enhances cellular function, and prevents common fasting-related discomforts. 8. Listening to your body's hunger signals. Intermittent fasting isn't about forcing yourself to follow a strict schedule. It's about understanding your body's needs. If you've provided sufficient nutrients during your eating window, you'll likely find that hunger occurs less frequently. The goal is to create a balanced relationship with food where eating aligns with genuine hunger rather than external cues. By heeding your body's signals, you'll naturally fall into a rhythm that supports your health and well-being without unnecessary struggles. 9. Planning ahead for nutritious options. Having healthy choices on hand prevents the temptation to opt for processed or unhealthy foods during hunger. Whether it's a handful of nuts, a cheese stick, or a prepared meal, these options support your intermittent fasting goals. Planning also makes your journey smoother. Instead of scrambling for food when hunger strikes, you can focus on your daily activities, knowing that you have nourishing choices within reach. By creating a collection of go-to foods, you ensure that your fasting experience remains convenient and practical. 10. Gradually extending fasting periods. Once you're comfortable with a specific fasting window, consider gradually lengthening it. This might mean transitioning from a 16-hour fast to an 18-hour fast and eventually exploring longer fasting protocols like 20 to 4 or even 1 meal a day. Extended fasting periods allow your body to delve deeper into autophagy, optimize fat burning, and improve metabolic flexibility. However, remember that this step isn't mandatory. The key is to find a fasting routine that aligns with your goals, lifestyle, and comfort level while providing the health benefits you seek. There you have it, a comprehensive journey through the art of intermittent fasting designed to transform your health and well-being. If you found these insights valuable and are eager to continue mastering the world of intermittent fasting, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family.